Welcome students. Today we will teach you about the light reflection and refraction. Chapter 10. What is light? Light is form of energy which enables us to see object when which emit or reflected light. We get light from various sources, that is sun, electric lamp, candle and oil lamp etc. कहा गया है कि लाइट जो है एनर्जी का वह सोर्सेस है जिससे हम इसकी प्रेजेंट में ही ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट को हम क्या कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं और वहाँ से जो है रिफ्लेक्ट भी होती है. वी गेट लाइट फ्रॉम वेरियस सोर्सेस दैट इज सन. कहा गया है कि इसके सोर्सेस जो हैं, लाइट के जो सोर्सेस हैं, सन, इलेक्ट्रिक लैम्प, कैंडल एंड ऑयल लैम्प और भी हैं. What are the character of light? First point. Light is an electromagnetic radiation. Second, light travel in the straight line. This property of light is termed as rectilinear propagation of light. Third point, light is transverse wave and does not need any medium to travel. Light can travel through vacuum. Its speed through vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. ठीक है. Next point, the velocity of light change when in travel from one medium to another. For example, the speed of light is water is 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and in glass is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Next point, wavelength light also change when it goes from one medium to another. The frequency of the light wave remains the same in all media. Wave. This is light. Light ray. Next, light gets reflected back from polished surface such as mirror, polished metal surface, etc. Next point, light can pass through transparent material such as glass or air. However, it cannot pass through opaque material such as wood, metal, etc. Light can pass through translucent material such as wax paper, frosted glass, etc. only partially. Beam of light. Beam of light. A straight line drawn in the direction of propagation of light is called a ray of light. A ray is described by the straight line with an arrow headed point in the direction of propagation of light. Point. A bundle of the adjacent light ray is called the beam of light. Beam of light. A beam of light can be. हम लोग देखते हैं कि बहुत सारे लाइट जो होते हैं, ठीक है, जब एक साथ बहुत सारे लाइट का जो होती है जब ट्रेवल करता है, ठीक है, उसी को कहा गया है बीम ऑफ लाइट. पैरेलल बीम ऑफ लाइट, कन्वर्जिंग बीम ऑफ लाइट एंड डाइवर्जिंग बीम ऑफ लाइट. लाइट यहाँ बीम ऑफ लाइट को जो है कैटेगराइज कर दी गई है. सपोज दैट फर्स्ट पैरेलल बीम ऑफ लाइट, converging beam of light, diverging beam of light. First point, the beam of light in which all the rays are parallel to each other is called parallel beam of light. A beam of light coming from a distant sources is called parallel beam of light. Next point, the beam of light in which the ray of light starting from a point source move out in different direction is called a diverging beam of light. The beam of light in which the ray of light starting from the large sources of light get closer to each other is called a converging ray of light. Reflection of light. Topic: reflection of light. When light traveling from one medium falls on the surface of another medium, a portion of the incident light is turned back into the first medium. This is called reflection of light. Okay. लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट के कुछ नियम हैं, यहां पर बताई गई है. द इंसिडेंट रे, द रिफ्लेक्टेड रे एंड द नॉर्मल एट द पॉइंट ऑफ द इंसिडेंस ऑल लाई इन द सेम प्लेन. दिस इज मिरर, ये आपका मिरर है, ठीक है. इंसिडेंट एंड रिफ्लेक्टेड रे, द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द नॉर्मल. Reflected ray of the angle is I. Reflected ray angle of the R. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of the reflection. Thus, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflections. जिससे क्या है, एंगल जो है वह आई जो इज इक्वल किसका है, एंगल ऑफ आर का, ठीक है. द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज इक्वल टू एंगल ऑफ द रिफ्लेक्शन. Kind of reflection. Depending on the nature of the reflecting surface, there could be two kinds of reflection, regular reflection and irregular reflection. रिफ्लेक्शन दो तरीके से होते हैं, ठीक है, दो तरह के होते हैं. फर्स्ट रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन एंड सेकंड इरेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन. द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द पैरेलल बीम of light from the mirror so that the reflected ray are parallel to each other is called a regular or specular reflection. A regular reflection of the second name, scalar reflection. Next, the reflection of the light from a rough, irregular surface, such as walls of room, page of the book, randomly in various directions is called a irregular or diffuse reflection. The reflection of the light from the rough, irregular surface, such as walls or room, page of a book, randomly in various directions is called a irregular or diffuse reflection. Diffuse reflection. Next topic, what is mirror? A smooth, highly polished reflecting surface is called a mirror. Two types of the mirror. According to first, plane mirror. A highly polished plane surface is called a plane mirror. A plane mirror can be obtained by silvering one side of the glass sheet. This is figure. Reflecting surface. Reflecting surface. Polished surface. Coating. Silver surface. Second, curved mirror. In curved mirror, the reflecting surface is covered. The curved mirror are called a spherical mirror or parabolic mirror depending upon the curve. Spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. What are the various terms associated with the spherical mirror? Spherical mirror के कुछ parts हैं. First point, operators. First point, aperture. Second, pole. Next, C, center of curvature. D, radius of curvature. E, principal axis. Normals. Focus. Focal length. Focal plane. Real image. Virtual image. This is concave mirror. This is concave mirror. C is center, P is pole, M is mirror, principal axis, radius of curvature, pole. This is pole. This is pole. M and M. M dot M is a mirror. Indicate of P is pole. C is center of curvature. Reflecting surface area. Principal axis. Principal axis. Aperture. The effective word of the spherical mirror from which reflection can take place is called its aperture. The distance M dot M is the aperture of the spherical mirror. Aperture. Okay. द्वार. Pole. The center of the spherical mirror is called its pole. This point is take as the reference point for measuring the distance of object and image from the mirror. The pole of mirror is denoted by P. Next, C. Center of curvature. The center of the hollow sphere of which the spherical mirror is a part is called center of curvature of a spherical mirror. The center of curvature of the spherical mirror is denoted by C. Radius of curvature. The radius of the hollow sphere of which the spherical mirror is a part is called the radius of curvature R of the spherical mirror. The distance PC is the radius of the curvature of the spherical mirror. Principal axis. The straight line passing through in the center of the curvature and the pole of the spherical mirror is called the principal axis. The line XY passing through in the center of the curvature C and the pole P is the principal axis of the spherical mirror. Normal. The normal at any point of the spherical mirror is the straight line obtained by joining that point with the center of the curvature of the mirror. Focal length. It is the distance between the focus and the pole of the mirror. यानी आपको तो समझ में आ रही है, फोकस और पोल का जो बीच की जो दूरी है, डिस्टेंस है, फोकल लेंथ. Focal plane. The vertical plane passing through the principal focus and the perpendicular to in the principal axis is called the focal plane. Two types of the image. इमेज जो है दो तरह के होते हैं, रियल इमेज एंड वर्चुअल इमेज. real image. When the ray of light after getting reflected from the mirror actually meet a point, a real image format. A real image can be obtained on the screen. So the image which can be obtained on the screen is called a real image. A concave mirror gives a real image if the object is placed at the beyond focus. Real image. This is object reflected. This is image format. Real image. A real image. This mirror, concave mirror. Focal point. Virtual image. The image which can be seen only in a mirror but cannot be obtained on a screen is called a virtual image. For the example of the image formed in the plane mirror are virtual image. A concave mirror from the virtual image when the object is placed at the distance less than in the focal length. This figure or virtual image format. Relation between focal length and radius by concave mirror. यहाँ जो है रिलेशन बताई गई है रेडियस और फोकल लेंथ में, और प्रूव दैट r इज इक्वल टू 2f, r इज इक्वल टू 2f और f इज इक्वल टू r/2. दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट. यह क्वेश्चन बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है. ठीक है. फ्रॉम ए कॉन्केव मिरर इन द फिगर A and figure B, convex mirror. Okay. Angle BP dot C is equal to P dot CF, alternate angle, and angle BP dot C is equal to angle P dot F, law of reflection. Angle I is equal to angle R. Hence, angle P dot CF is equal to angle CP dot F. Therefore, FV dot C is isosceles. Hence, P dot F is equal to PC, FC. In the aperture of the mirror is a small. द्वार जो है बहुत छोटा होने के कारण, देखिए ये जो है अपर्चर से P कोई लेट यहाँ मान लिया है, यहाँ पे P यहाँ दिख रहा है उसे. ओके. P dot F is equal to FC. In the aperture of the mirror is small. The point P dot is very close in the point P. Then P dot F is equal to PF. Therefore, PF is equal to FC is equal to 2PC, or F is equal to 2R. The proof. This is proof. F is equal to 2R. Therefore, PF is equal to FC is equal to 2PC, or F is equal to 2R for a convex mirror. Convex mirror की बात करें, इसी को देखो. f is equal to 2r. Okay, so r is equal to f by 2. This proof of the convex mirror. For a convex mirror in figure B, angle BP dot N is equal to angle FC dot P, corresponding angle according to angle BP dot N is equal to NP dot R, law of reflection, angle I is equal to angle R, and angle NP dot R is equal to angle CP dot F, vertically opposite angle according. Hence, angle FCP dot is equal to angle CP dot F. Therefore, FP dot C is isosceles triangle according. Hence, P dot F is equal to FC. In the aperture of the mirror is small. The point P is the very close to the point P. Then P dot F is equal to PF. Therefore, PF is equal to FC is equal to 2PC, or F is equal to 2R. Thus, the spherical mirror, both concave and convex, the focal length is half of the radius of curvature. This is proof. Difference between real and virtual image. Real image, virtual image. Real image, virtual image. Real image is formed when two or more reflected rays intersect each other at a point in front of a mirror. Virtual. A virtual image is formed when two or more reflected rays appear to intersect at a point behind the mirror. Second point, a real image can be obtained on a screen. A virtual image cannot be obtained of the screen. It can only be seen in the mirror. Next point, real images are inverted, upside down, with respect to the object. Virtual images are erect with respect to the object. Use of the plane mirror. As mirror on our dressing table and in bathroom to see ourselves. For making certain devices such as a periscope, kaleidoscope. Next point 4, decorative purpose at malls and shopping centers. The plane mirror fixed of the inner wall of room makes the room much bigger. What kind of images are formed by concave mirror? What kind of the images are formed by a concave mirror in the next class? Thank you.